So by me holding it like this, you can see how stabilized it is. Of course, me holding it, but of course I will shake it. But you can see how stabilized that is. I'm gonna go ahead and put in fast mode. Look at that. It's so windy, and that thing still fell. But not Tello. See? See kite border. It's so windy that I had to put this back up here. So you guys can see, and you can actually record. See how stabilized? Woo! And that's in the fast mode. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and see, and then I'm gonna go ahead and change it to slow mode. I mean, it's blowing. I'm gonna put it right here. Man, it's windy. I have to put a lot of, you guys can see, Tello is shaking a little bit from the extreme wind. Of course, I passed over it, but you can still see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go a little bit so you guys can go ahead and see. Very stable. I'm not even touching the controller. Look how stabilized that is. A little bit of shake. More. This is all right. There you go. Just about 1 minute right there. I'm gonna go turn it on. All right, that's it. Of course, you want to land. You see the wind. Woo! Wow, extremely windy.